Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You'll start by signing in as the supervising adult and confirming you can access the child's device. Once signed in, make sure two-factor authentication is active for your account so changes are secure. Navigate, menu, then settings and privacy, then settings. This gets you into account controls. While here, open family or supervision tools if visible. These are the entry points for parental controls. Do this now. It creates the secure context required to apply filters, limits, and monitor activity safely. Once done, add your child to Facebook's family dashboard or create a supervised profile so controls apply directly. Select content filters to limit explicit material and adjust message settings to restrict unknown contacts. This reduces exposure and unwanted contacts. Next, set screen time schedules. Pick daily limits and quiet hours to encourage balanced use. Make sure to review permission prompts for apps and third parties so they can't bypass restrictions. This keeps controls effective across sessions and apps. Finalize by testing changes on the child's device. Sign into their account and confirm filters, messages, and screen time behave as set. Enable notifications so you receive alerts about permission requests or policy changes. This keeps you informed and responsive. If something doesn't apply, sign out and sign back in, update the Facebook app, and verify your family role is correct. These fixes resolve most sync problems. If it still fails, remove and re-add supervision for a clean configuration reset.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.